It is 7:25 a.m. I finished editing at 4:30 last night because we got home from the film at like 1. It took quite a while. So I got done with editing at 4:30 and I slept and I woke up 2 hours later and I'm now headed to this Times of India organizes these things across the city called Happy Streets every Sunday, where they block out the whole city and they get like Zumba instructors and yoga instructors and like bicycles, and they clear out the whole road to like for kids to play, cycle, skateboard, whatever. It's quite a lot of fun. So I'm meeting a couple of friends there, and I don't have my penny board, so that sucks. Oh, whatever. Let's see. It sounds fun. Looks like a mad scientist. I'm vlogging you. Ever since I was a child, I've been waiting for the day that I will be able to drive on my own. And I think we're going for a drive now. I'm super excited. Okay, update. Samad's eye is
not completely fine.
not completely fine, but
black.
it's almost, it's thoda sa black.
Thoda sa
Like
black.
his soul. Jenny is still driving and has not killed anyone yet.
He's wearing a seatbelt.
Jenny can't park, so she got Rao to park. Sure. Yes, Jenny. Keep telling yourself that.
Now I can park, but I gave you the car because you wanted to drive, right?
Hi Pooja, welcome to the vlog again.
You can't do it there. What are you gonna do it there? Best.
Come on, Samad, you got this. The food truck fair was a lot of fun. The food was very but like the overall ambience and the whole event was quite a bit of fun. It is now 10:32. I have to edit, but I'm super sleepy since I only slept for 2 hours last night. So I'm gonna take a 1 hour long power nap. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I have to wake up an hour from now and edit somehow. It's 3:05 a.m. I kind of overslept that power nap, but I'm gonna edit now because I just have to. That's it. This is the end.